If your heart melts at adorable moments, you're in for a treat. Meet Fluffy, the world's gentlest kitten. Look at how tenderly she plays with her best friend Emma. Emma is fast asleep on her cozy blanket, dreaming sweet dreams. But Fluffy can't resist giving her a soft paw tap. Just look at that tiny yawn. Isn't it heartwarming to see such a peaceful, loving moment? Fluffy just wants to be close to her buddy, making sure Emma's dreams are filled with purrs and whiskers. It's moments like these that remind us of the magic of friendship. But sweet dreams, Emma. And Fluffy, keep being adorable. Until next time, friends.